Well, my name is Maitumelo Palai and I'm 15 years of age. The reason why I like singing is that I always feel comfortable around, when I'm singing, I feel good. Yeah. Everybody, welcome me on stage. Name is Milton. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fresh on the plane, konnichiwa. Be to turn around another plane. My passport and a paper. As for what I did, the S that I did it. Talked it and it left it spinning. Baby shit, I don't need righties on my past IDs. But only I can come up with some shit like this. I don't blame the creepy dog my whole career. I've been a very good sport, having eyed the she. Like a mama you brought me. Brooklyn you nashed me. School me with hard necks, better than Brooklyn. Message you made me by the time I was 21. Now should disturb me, but you never had me. Hello Brooklyn, if we had a daughter, just what am I color? Brooklyn God, when my life is for ginger, it's in a finya. Cause you know I only stop cutting a dinya. Yeah, thank you.